Welcome to Rijji. The next topic of circle chapter is parametric equation of a circle. The parametric equation of a circle. And let us take the coordinate axis here. This is x axis, x dash, y dash, and 0 is the origin here, O is the origin here. I am drawing a circle with a center, origin, and a point P on a circle x comma y. The distance between origin to the point on a circle is radius. The angle made by x axis and the radius is theta. This is a right angle triangle and the angle is here 90 degrees, and the parametric form of a circle which is having center is origin, that is x is equal x cos theta, y is equal r sin theta. X is equal r cos theta, y is equal r sin theta. And if a circle having a different radius on coordinate axis x dash, y dash, these are the coordinate axis. Here this is the origin O, and with a center h comma k on coordinate axis, this is the center h comma k, and with this h comma k I am drawing a circle. A point P on a circle P is x comma y, and the distance between center to point P on a circle is radius, and the angle made by the diameter of a circle is theta, and this is 90 degrees. This is a right angle triangle, and the parametric form of a circle is the parametric form of a circle is x is equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equal k plus r sin theta. This is a two types of equations are x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta when a circle is having center as origin, and this is the parametric equation of circle x is equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equal to k plus r sin theta when a circle is having any other center, that is h comma k here. This is all about parametric equation of a circle. Let us take some examples here. The first example is x square plus y square, that is equal to 25. Here this is a circle is passing through center. Why? Because it is a standard form of a circle here. Standard form of a circle equation x square plus y square is equal to r square, where r square is equal to 25, then r is equal to square root of 25, that is equal plus or minus 5. Here r is equal to 5 units. This is the radius, and this is a circle passing through center. From the last condition, the parametric equation of a circle passing through the center is x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Let's substitute the values of r here. X is equal to r is nothing but 5 cos theta and y is equal to 5 sin theta. the parametric equations of a circle, equation x square plus y square is equal to 25 is equal to x is equal to 5 cos theta, y is equal to 5 sin theta. And let us take one more example for parametric equation of a circle is having a different center, that is equal x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square, that is equal 25 again. And this is a circle having a center. If you compare this equation with h minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square, that is equal to r square. Here h is equal to 1 and k is equal to minus 3. Here the center is center h comma k is equal to 1 comma minus 3. And the radius r square is equal to 25 here, r that will become plus r minus 25, that is equal to r is equal to 5 units. I am taking positive. Why? Because radius is always positive value, so I am taking positive value. Next, the parametric equation of a circle which is having a center h comma k, that is equal, the parametric general form of parametric equation x is equal to h plus r cos theta and y is equal to k plus r sin theta. Let's substitute h and k values and r values in this expression. H is equal to 1 plus r is nothing but 5 cos theta and y is equal to k is nothing but minus 3 plus r is nothing but 5 sin theta. Here these are the two parametric equation of a circle having a different center and radius for the equation of a chord of a circle. Here the equation of chord joining 2 points in a circle, joining 2 points on a circle, that is theta 1 comma theta 2 is x cos theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 plus y sin theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2, that is equal to r cos theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2. Here theta 1 theta 2 are the points on a circle, here angles made by a circle of a chord here, and x cos theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 plus y sin theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2, that is equal to r cos theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2. This is the equation of a chord joining 2 points on a circle. And the second point, the length of a chord joining 2 points on a circle is x minus, when here the circle form is x square plus y square is equal to r square, and here also the circle form is x square plus y square is equal to r square. Here the circle is passing through, circle is having center is origin, here also the center is having origin, and in this case the equation of the length of the chord of is x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square, that is equal to r square. And here the length of chord is 2r into cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2. This is the length of modulus of 2r into cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2. This is the length of the chord joining 2 points on a circle when the circle is having center origin. This is all about the length of the chord. And the next topic is the angle differ by the angle differ by theta is represented as theta 2 minus theta, where the angle is subtended by, where an angle is subtended by origin, and origin is nothing but theta, and here origin is nothing but next, and the next topic is the equation of chord joining 2 points on a circle, that is theta 1 and theta 2, but a circle is s is equal 0, where s is equal 0 is nothing but x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal 0. This is the equation of a circle here, and for this type of circle the length of the equation of a chord is x plus g into cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 plus y plus f into sin of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2, that is equal to r into cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2. This is the equation of chord joining 2 points on a circle with a circle equation of x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal 0. This is all about the parametric form of equation of a circle which is passing through center and which is having any different center, that is h comma k and 0 comma 0. And the notations are the equation of a circle, the general equation of circle, that is s is equal 0. S is equal 0 is nothing but x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal 0. Then s1 will become so x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equal 0, and s12 will become x12 is nothing but x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g of x1 plus x2 plus f of y1 plus y2 plus c is equal 0, and s11 is nothing but x1 whole square plus y1 whole square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c is equal 0. These are the 3 types of equations when h1, h11, h12, h11. This is all about the types of circles here, and the position of next topic is position of a point with respect to the circle. Position of point with respect to a circle, and the next topic is position of a point with respect to circle, that is nothing but here let s is equal 0 be a circle, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal 0, and p of x comma y be a point. Let's see this point position on this circle. How? Here h11, if h11 is greater than 0, the point is outside of the circle. Here this is a circle, S is equal 0. S is equal 0 here, and if a point h11, if h11 is equal to greater than 0, then the point is P is outside of the circle. If h11 is greater than 0 and outside, this is outside, and if h11 is equal to 0, the point is on the circle, here the point P is on the circle, anywhere on the circle, that is when h11 is equal to 0. Next, if h1 is less than 0, then the point is inside of the circle, h11 is equal to 0, h11 is less than 0, then inside of the circle, the position of point is 3 types. First one is h11 is greater than 0, h11 is equal to 0, h11 is less than 0. If h1 is greater than 0, the point is outside of the circle, and if h11 is equal to 0, the point is on the circle, and if h11 is less than 0, then the point is inside of the circle here. What is h11 here? Let's locate the point here. Let's see one example here. Locate the position of point 2, 4. Locate the position of point 2, 4. I am taking one equation of a circle, x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. I am taking one example circle equation, s is equal 0, this is s equal 0, and we need to find the position of this point P, x comma y, which is inside or outside or on the circle. We need to find h11. If you find h11, then we will get the position of circle on the point here. h11 is nothing but just we need to substitute the values here. x11 is nothing but you need to substitute x is equal 2, y is equal to 4 in the circle equation. In previous case, like, okay, 2 square plus 4 square plus 2 into 2 plus 4 into 4, 4 into 4 plus 6 is equal to 0, and 2 square is nothing but 4, 4 square is nothing but 16, 2 square is nothing but 2 into 2 4, 4 into 4 16 plus 6, that is equal to 0, and this is 20 plus 40 plus 6 46. 46 is greater than 0, greater than s11 is greater than 0, then the point is outside of the circle. The point is outside of the circle. This point 2, 4 is outside of the circle when h11 is greater than 0. Simply, if the point and the equation both are positive, all are positive, here the point is positive and the equation contains all the values is positive, then simply you can say directly the point is always outside of the circle. See here, if all the numbers are positive, it will get positive greater than 0 only. Then the shortcut trick to find without solving any s11 here, you can say directly it is outside of the circle. This is the shortcut trick to find the value here. Let's take some more example on your own to find the parametric equation of a circle, and which is passing through origin 0, 0 and which is passing through center h, key on your own from your material. Thank you.